Bulgarian truck drivers, 3,200 euros net to embark, Italian flag. We have a fleet of 22 Roros and 55 Ropax ships, and we're looking for 3,200 euros net plus Italian social security. As you know, you have the pension, sanitary assistance, the whole Italian social security system. Is not necessarily English. I will put subtitles of Bulgarian in this video, because you can like and subscribe and pass through all the truck drivers associations, schools, and so if you're a young person, you're thinking of taking this career, and you have the seaman book, then in Bulgaria is very, very operational to get the seaman book for seafarers. So please apply urgently. You don't need English. Basic Italian is required. We will put the Italian basic manual here in this video. Like and subscribe. If you have a partner that you are driving the truck with, or you know someone that you would like to also join on board, perhaps both of you can really take this opportunity and join at the same time. There's a huge shortage in Europe of truck drivers, and this is new opportunity because the prices of petrol are going up, the taxes are going up, everything is going up, bureaucracy is going up, but this is a huge opportunity because it's the biggest company in Europe, and also for all the Bulgarian truck drivers. Thank you, like and subscribe. Hope that you apply Crew Inspector very fast, and that we increase the numbers to about 20 truck drivers minimum. Thank you, bye.